If you want to know how to sell cars in Forza Horizon 6 quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can list a car for sale without wasting time or getting stuck in menus. Whether you're clearing out your garage, making room for new rides, or trying to earn some extra credits, this method is simple and beginner friendly. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Forza Horizon tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your house. In Forza Horizon 6, your house is one of the main places where you can access important menu options, including buying and selling vehicles. Once you arrive at your house, open the menu and look for the Buy and Sell tab. This is where the game keeps the options for managing your cars and making changes to your garage. Next, click on Auction House. This is the section you'll use when you want to sell a car to other players instead of just keeping it in your collection. The auction house gives you a way to list your car, set your auction, and put it up for sale so other players can bid on it or buy it. After that, select Start Auction. This begins the selling process and takes you to the screen where you can choose the vehicle you want to list. If you have multiple cars in your garage, take a moment to pick the one you actually want to sell. It's always a good idea to double check the car before confirming, especially if it's a rare or valuable vehicle. Now select the car you want to sell. Once you choose it, you'll be able to set up the details of the auction and confirm the listing. After that, your car will be placed in the auction house and made available for other players. From there, all you have to do is wait for someone to place a bid or buy it, depending on how you've listed the auction. That's really all there is to it. Go to your house, open the Buy and Sell tab, click Auction House, start the auction, and then select the car you want to sell. It's a fast way to turn unused cars into credits and keep your garage organized at the same time. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Forza Horizon guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.